Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances usually very good value for money. They smell good. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should you do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So this is another first impression, unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the fragrance that, again, I never seen anybody talk about this brand, in another Middle Eastern brand, and this one is called Halal. Some sites, when they advertise they selling it, they advertise is a subsidiary of Al Haramain. I'm not too sure because I looked everywhere, I couldn't find literature for it to back it up, but let's say it's just Al Halal. And this one is called Aquamarine. Very simple box, very nice, and it's 100 ml and eau de Perfume. So when I saw it for under £15, it piqued my interest. I said, let's have a look and see how it goes. So if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or entertaining, you know what to do, hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's get on with this video. Sorry about noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So it's a nice box, simple, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. It's a nice turquoise color to it, so we are expecting something fresh. Yeah, look at that, turquoise all the way. The bottle itself is turquoise. Very nice bottle. It's quite a classic. Al Halal Aquamarine eau de Perfume 100 ml. The cap is non-existent, don't talk about it. And then the sprayer is quite a good sprayer. Okay, so Aquamarine Al Halal. Whoa, it's fresh, super fresh. Alright, here we go. First impression. Yeah, is as you said, Aquamarine. End of the video. This is seriously Aquamarine. It's so fresh and fruity. Fresh, fruity and aquatic, watery. Let's have a bit of saltiness into it. Big florals like lavender. Big right now is quite citrusy, so it's quite bergamonty, lemony. Yeah, and there's another thing in the mid which is like a white floral, okay? And the base is woody, and it's got muskiness as well. But what a smell, beautiful. And also a little bit of grassy. Yes, a little bit grassy, a little bit of cucumber and a melon smell to it as well. Wow, what a smell for under £15, 100 ml EDP, and it smells gorgeous. It's not a copy, but it reminds me of Eau Fresh by Versace. Very close to that one, because that happy, bright, super fresh opening of that Eau Fresh by Versace. Very similar to it. I'm not sure if it's a copy of that one, but very, very similar. Very happy, very summery, very beachy, very happy mood, sunshine, cocktail in the hand, you know, nice holiday, beautiful, very, very good. Yeah, what can I say? If you like this kind of fragrances for under £15, wow, what a smell. I'll let you know in the next video the development, longevity and things like that, but for right now, and when it opened, no alcohol, no harshness, nothing, you know, very, very good quality. Again, for under £15, amazing, superb. Quite unisex, yes. This one is aimed at unisex, but it is unisex because it's a fresh, uncaring smell, and definitely for warmer weather, summer. But if you like to be reminded of summer in winter, then yes as well. quite casual, quite easygoing. But if you like this kind of fragrance, you can wear it anytime, anywhere, any occasion, any season, any age. Yes, definitely this is any age can rock it because it's so easygoing and no brainer, you know. Just put it on. Very, very good. I'm very, very happy with that first impression. But if he lost, then wow, we have a amazing banger on our hand. If he doesn't, then yeah, okay, that's because All Fresh by Versace, these days if you buy it, it won't last you more than 2-3 hours. It's very, very weak and watered down, but it's quite, you know, it's not too expensive. I think about 50 quid for 100 ml, but again, for under 15 pounds, compare that, it's like a third of the price, so it makes sense again. So you do the calculation. Okay guys, if you like what I do, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. And if you like to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super beast mode, very artistic, very unique, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. Thank you very much, and I will see you later. Bye bye bye.